Good afternoon, Valpo. VUTV Weather Director Mason Gleva here with another weather update regarding this weekend's snow potential. Tomorrow, it's all rain. Rain moves in as the day goes on. Then the changeover to snow occurs. First, accumulating snowfall of the season Sunday into late Monday, and because of that, we've gone ahead and issued weather impact days for Sunday and Monday because of the snow. And wind chills are going to be in the teens to low 20s, so it's going to feel a little brutal out there, feeling more like December or January rather than early November. Currently, though, we're warm, 62 degrees here in Valpo, 59 degrees in Michigan City, 56 in Benton Harbor, 65 out in Juliet. Everybody under clear skies or a mix of sun and clouds. Winds have also been an issue today. Winds generally sustained 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts 25 to 30, pushing 35 miles an hour. At times, winds will die down as the evening goes on. Got a football game in South Bend. We also have a game here in Valpo. Both are going to be soggy, so bring the rain gear if you're going to either one. But for the game in South Bend, rain moves in as the game begins, and then it becomes more steady towards halftime, second half, and then by time you're on your way home from the game, don't be surprised if there are a few snowflakes mixing in there. Let's time that out here on Future Radar. Future Radar is suggesting a few sprinkles along the north of the toll road. Those wouldn't amount to much. Those get out of here rather quickly. A gloomy start to the day tomorrow. Highs only right around 45, 46, 47 degrees. Here's 3 o'clock Saturday. You can already see this model suggesting a changeover to snow occurring in Rockford. It's not going to stick right away. It's going to take a little bit. As the evening goes on Saturday, temperatures holding steady in the low 40s. And then as we get closer to midnight, you can start to see that rain change over to snow closer to South Bend. Valpo points north and west into West Michigan. Again, it's going to take a little while before it actually starts to stick just because the ground is so warm. As you start your day on Sunday, you have that lake effect band begin to set up here. Here's 8 o'clock. Temperatures in the mid-30s. It might be a little warm here in Valpo. I think we'll probably be in the mid-30s, not closer to 40 degrees. It'll be all rain at the lakeshore. You're going to have to go in a couple miles before the changeover to snow occurs. That's why the highest snowfall amounts are going to be away from the lake, not immediately at the lakeshore. That band pivots farther east, and then a reinforcing cold front will bring it back our direction. It's just a question of where exactly will this band set up. Here's Monday at 9 a.m. That lake effect band setting up right over us here, somewhere between Michigan City and Gary. Give yourself extra time if you're a commuter to get to campus Monday morning, just in case the roads are a little messy. And then that band really just stays put somewhere between Valpo over towards Laporte or South Bend. So somewhere in Laporte County, that's I'm thinking where we'll have the highest snow totals, and then the snow gets out of here by the time you start your Tuesday. Let's talk snowfall amounts. Here's our first call snowfall map. There's going to be a sharp cutoff between the highest totals and the lower totals. So this light blue, that's flurries, maybe an inch at best. This sort of middle shade blue, 1 to 2 inches. 1 inch is probably a safe bet, and then if you're in that band for longer, you'll probably make a run at 2 to 3 inches. This navy blue, this is where I'm more confident in the snow actually accumulating. Somebody in Laporte County is probably going to have 4 to 6 inches of snow, but 2 to 4 inches is definitely a safe bet. Another issue that we're going to be talking about this weekend is the wind chills. So Saturday, not nearly as bad. Wind chills right around 40 degrees, already in the 20s up there in Rockford where that quick changeover to snow is likely. And then wind chills in the teens to low 20s Sunday and Monday. Going to be a little brutal out there, so bundle up. Find your winter gear now because you'll need it by Sunday morning. Tonight, low 40s for lows, increasing clouds, few sprinkles possible at the lakeshore. We start the day dry tomorrow. Rain moves in as the day goes on. Highs in the mid-40s. 7-day forecast here. We just got to get through Sunday and Monday if you don't like the snow, because we're right back up to near 50 degrees by Wednesday.